Animating clip size changes. In the previous example, the clip image had a different aspect ratio compared to the sequence. Let's try another example and animate the adjustment. Position the timeline playhead over the first frame of the second clip in the 04 scale sequence at 00000500. This clip is 3840 by 2160 ultra high definition, which is the same image aspect ratio or shape as the sequence, which is 1280 by 720. It is also the same aspect ratio as Full HD at 1920 by 1080. This makes shooting UHD content convenient if you intend to mix media sources. Select the clip and look in the Effect Controls panel. The scale setting is 100%. Right-click the clip in the timeline panel and choose Set to Frame Size. The scale setting changes to 33.3% to fit the image in the sequence frame. You now know you can scale this clip between 33.3% and 100% and maintain quality without magnifying pixels while still filling the frame. In the Effect Controls panel, turn on keyframing for the scale control by clicking the Toggle Animation Stopwatch button. Position the playhead over the last frame of the clip. Click the Reset button for the scale setting in the Effect Controls panel. Scrub through the clip to see the result. This creates an animated zoom effect for the clip. Because the clip never scales to more than 100%, it maintains full quality. This clip includes motion, and it already looks like the ground is coming up to meet the camera. Try reversing the timing of the keyframes, so the first keyframe sets scale to 100%, and the second keyframe sets scale to 33.3%. Drag the keyframes to each other's positions in the Effect Controls panel timeline, or change the settings for each keyframe in their current positions. The result is reminiscent of the famous dolly zoom effect. Use the Undo command to restore the timing, with the clip starting at 33.3% and animating to 100%. It is safe to experiment with effect configuration because you can always undo to restore a recent setup. Turn on the track output option for the V2 track. This track has an adjustment layer clip on it. Adjustment layers apply effects to all footage and lower video tracks. Select the adjustment layer clip to display its settings in the Effect Controls panel. A brightness and contrast effect has been added. You will learn more about adjustment layers in Lesson 12, Adding Video Effects. Play the sequence. You may need to render the sequence to see smooth playback because some of the clips are high resolution and will take a lot of computer processing power to play. To render the sequence, make sure the timeline panel is active and choose Sequence, Render In to Out, or press Return on Mac or Enter on Windows.